Namaste and welcome back to ElectriVerse, where every spark tells a story. Have you ever looked at a burning bulb and wondered where the light actually comes from? What is this invisible power that is giving light, movement, and in a way, life to everything around us? Let's understand this mystery in a very simple way. Electricity is nothing but very tiny particles called electrons in motion. Imagine inside a wire. There are millions and billions of microscopic balls. These are electrons. When they all start flowing in the same direction, that flow is called electric current. So, always remember this simple fact. There is no electricity stored inside stars. It exists only when electrons start moving. Just like water flows in a pipe only when you turn on the tap. Electricity flows only when the circuit is complete. Now the question is, who makes these electrons move? The answer is voltage. Voltage can be understood as a pressure that pushes water through a pipe. The higher the pressure, the faster the flow. Similarly, the higher the voltage, the more forcefully electrons are pushed through the wire. Voltage pushes, current flows. Simple, isn't it? But sometimes the wire tries to stop the flow of electrons. This obstacle is called resistance. And when electrons face this resistance, some of their energy is converted into heat. That's why your phone charger or laptop adapter feels warm after a while. These are the three friends you must always remember: voltage, current, and resistance. These three decide how electricity will behave. Now let's talk about power. Power simply means how much work electricity is doing. When you turn on a small bulb, it uses less power. When you turn on a large air conditioner or washing machine, it uses more power. And here is a small secret. Power is voltage multiplied by current. That's all. Higher voltage or more current means more power. Think of it like this. Voltage is how hard you're pushing water. Current is how wide the pipe is, and power is how much water is coming out every second. Electricity is all around you. It lights up your home, charges your phone. It powers trains, machines, and even satellites. And an interesting thing is that it is also inside you. Yes, your brain and your heart use small electrical signals to think, move, and stay alive. You, I, and all of us run on nature's current. So next time you turn on a fan, remember, it's not magic. It is science in motion. Tiny electrons work together at the speed of light to make your life better. Electricity is not just energy. It is the invisible language of this universe that connects everything that has movement, light, or breath. Now that you understand the secret of electricity, don't just stop here. Look around you and feel that invisible force that is driving everything. Because here at ElectriVerse, we don't just explain science, we bring it to life. If you love discovering the real science behind the glow, hit like, share, and subscribe to ElectriVerse, where every spark tells a story. Type "light on" in the comments if you'll never look at a bulb the same way again. You've been watching ElectriVerse, where every spark tells a story. Stay bright, stay curious, and stay connected.